This is called the mouth of Spencer Creek, and that's the highway that goes over it. We're camping back in there, you can see, but this is something really cool I've never seen before. Is this creek actually going straight into the ocean? How cool is that? That's awesome, huh? Never seen that before. So this is the Rocky Oregon coast. There's some beach over there. We'll walk over there. Some dogs playing in the cold creek. Hey Travis! Hi! Do you like it?
Yes, I do, huh?
It's freezing here though. We're in our warm sweaters and long sleeves, and it's probably 60 something degrees, and there's a cold wind chill. Very cold. But this is a pretty cool little spot. Pretty awesome. I think it's cool. It goes right into the ocean right there.